So guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can solve the Hamster Kombat daily cipher Morse code for today. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys right now, and I want you to follow me while I take you to my phone screen to show you today's daily cipher Morse code. Let's go, guys. The word for today's Morse code is yield. Y-I-E-L-D. Yield. So how can we go about it? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this place that says daily cipher, and by the time we click on it, we are going to notice that this place turned red here. And then what we want to do now is to decipher each letter. Now let's start with Y. Y goes dash dot dash dash. So how to do the dash? The dash will be a long press, while the dot will be a short press. Now dash dot dash dash. So that's for Y. Now I is dot dot I. Now E is one dot. Now L is dot dash dot 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 dash dot dot. Now finally the next letter will be D, which is dash dot dot dash dot dot. So we've been able to crack today's daily cipher. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.